Hi, welcome to LiteHawk. I'm just Tom here. I just want to talk a little bit about the new LiteHawk VENTURI and kind of a few tech points that have come up in emails we've gotten so far from customers, and just want to make things a little bit easier, especially if you're trying to get this out of the box and into someone's hands and you're having a little bit of difficulty. So I'm just going to move this out of the way, and we've got one here out of the box. And one of the unique things with the VENTURI helicopter, it's also the same as our original XL, is that the power cable, this is what you're going to charge, or you're going to use to charge the battery itself, would plug into your USB charger, as well as when you're done charging, this plug actually has to be plugged into the port on the side of the helicopter. If you don't plug this in, you're not actually going to be able to power the helicopter. So once that's plugged in, the on-off switch is on the bottom. The easiest thing to notice is if we've got a connection, the LED lights on the front are going to light up and flash. Flashing means that we're ready to go. We just need to turn our controller on, and we will pair up and be ready to go. So if for some reason you forget the step of actually plugging in the battery, which is this red plug here, it will not connect. So really important, you want to make sure to plug this into the helicopter. When you're done flying, just best practices would be to unplug that and leave that battery disconnected there, so that way you're not having any loss or any chance that this thing's going to turn on in the middle of the night when you're all sleeping. So that's it for this one here. Just want to go over the plugging the battery into the helicopter, and till next time, have fun out flying.